Hey guys, welcome back to SPB Creative. This is Ashwati. Today I'm going to show you all how to make this beautiful rose flowers with frills with any waste cloth which would be available at your home. So these flowers are very versatile. We can use it to our baby's frock. Even we can use it for ourselves, to our headband, or even to our hair clips. Even we can make a miniature form of this and use it as a fabric button. So it is very versatile, and the best part is that we can even make like rose flower bare footwear for babies, which I'll be showing you guys in my very next video. So as of now, let's start with rose flower making. For that, you guys can take any fabric which is available at your home. Here I have taken a satin silk fabric. These kind of fabrics are very easy to work with, and if you are a beginner, I will recommend you guys not to take chiffon or georgette material, which is very flowy. That would be a little difficult to work with, but then if you want to take that fabric, you can definitely take it. It is that it would be a little difficult to work with. That's it. Now here I have taken 5-inch width fabric. So the width and length would depend upon the size of the flower we need. So if you want a medium size rose flower, you can take 5-inch width and then fold it and just give a stitch at the edge of the fabric. Here length is something we need not bother about much. Just eyeball it and take a good amount of length, so that once we make the flower and we are satisfied with the size of the flower, we can just cut off the extra fabric. That's it. So we need to be a little careful about the width part only. So just fold the fabric in half and just give a stitch at the edge of the fabric. Here we can definitely go ahead and do hand stitch as well. You need not use sewing machine. Since I have sewing machine, that's the reason I am using it. So once it is done, we need to take any sharp object and put it through one side of this fabric and take it through other side. In that way, this fabric is inside out and it would be very neat fabric. There will be no threads coming out. So here I am making 2 flowers, so I'll be doing the same for the other fabric as well. So once it is done, let's start making the flower. Since the edges are not sewed, threads are coming out. So since we need not want that, what we are doing is we are folding it twice, and then in that way it would be really neat. And the first thing what we need to do is we need to form it in a triangle like so, and then roll that fabric twice or thrice till it reaches at the triangular part that completes the triangle part. And then we need to again fold it in triangular form from the back to the back actually, and then again just roll it like so. So I think it's self-explanatory. It's a little hard to explain for me, so I really hope you guys can make it out from the video itself. So just very simple. Repeat the same process. Just fold the fabric in triangular way and then roll it. So just keep repeating it till you are satisfied with the size of the flower. once the flower is made completely, we need to fold the edges at the back, and then we need to give hand stitch with good strong thread, and also make sure that needle is very pointed because as you guys can see, it is very thick because we have folded a lot of layers. So also we need to make sure that it's very secure. For that matter, we need to give good 3 or 4 hand stitch so that it is very secure, it doesn't come off at all. So just give good hand stitch, and then it's done. So with that, our rose flower is complete. You guys can as I said, just use it as it is. It's very beautiful. So I have made 2 of them. Now let's see how to make frills so that we can keep it around this rose flower. It is optional. I just wanted to show you guys, so I'm gonna show you. So I have taken 4-inch width fabric, and I have folded it in that way. It would be 2-inch width. So we are just giving a running stitch with needle and thread, and what we are doing is we are giving 4 to 5 running stitch. Once it is done, we'll be pulling the thread very tightly. In that manner, there will be this folds coming, and it would form a very nice frill. So it's very simple. Just look at the video. What I'm doing is I'm giving 4 to 5 running stitch and then pulling the thread very tightly. In that manner, it is gonna form nice good frill. So our frills are also made, and I have given again a good hand stitch so that it is secure at the edges as well. And then I'll be placing this rose flower at the middle part, and then again I'll be sewing both this frill and rose together, so that, as I said, it should be secure enough. It should not come off. For that matter, I'll be giving good 4 to 5 hands stitch itself. And that's it, guys. With that, our rose flower with this frill is done. It's really beautiful. I absolutely loved how it turned out. Please to try it out and let me know how it turned out for you. Please to Instagram me if you try it out, and please to send me pictures. I would love to see that, and I will definitely share that in my community tab as well. So please wait for my next video. It would be how to make footwear, bare footwear for babies with these flowers. So I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you all know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And also, this is another flower which I'm going to show you guys right now. So this is another flower. I have made it in same way. So that's it, guys. See you in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all.